sweet and tangy mango pickle chutney. 2 raw mangoes peeled and chopped into small pieces. Heat 3 tbsp oil in a pan. Add 3 tbsp fenugreek seeds, 3 tbsp mustard seeds, 3 tbsp fennel seeds, 2 tbsp ajwain, 3 tbsp onion seeds to bay leaves, 3 to 4 dried red chilies. Half tsp hingle them crackle for a few seconds. Add chopped mango pieces and sauté for 2 to 3 minutes. Add half tbsp salt. Cup water. Mix well. Cover and cook for 5 to 8 minutes. Add half cup sugar. One tbsp red chili powder. Mix well. Cover and cook for another 10 to 15 minutes until mango becomes soft and liquid thickens. I'm curious, where are you watching from? Tell me your country in the comments below. heat and let it cool. Serve with rice, paratha, or naan. Store in a clean glass jar and refrigerate. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.